Welcome to LearnTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to upgrade your old Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. If you try to install Windows 11 from Windows Update, if your PC is not compatible with Windows 11, you will not see the Windows 11 update. If you try to install from DVD or pen drive, then you can face this type of error. This PC does not support TPM 2.0, or you can get two more error. That will be CPU error, that will be RAM error, that may you face secure boot error. In this situation, I will show you how to upgrade your PC, old PC, Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 by keeping your old file, application and settings. Stay on my video to check this update. Let's start. Close your all open window and open a browser. I am opening Google Chrome. You have to download Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft website. Just search it from Google Windows 11 download. Then click on first Microsoft link, download Windows 11. Click on that link, scroll down below. You can see download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on that below link, select Windows 11. After that, download now. Wait few seconds. Here you can choose language. I am selecting English International. Then confirm. After you confirm, you have to wait few more seconds. Here will be download link show. Click on that download link, 64-bit download. In my situation, I have already downloaded. That's why I am cancelling here. After your download completed, go to download folder. Then your Windows ISO file, right click on that file and mount it. After mount, you can see your ISO will be mounted on E drive, F drive or your last drive. Just select all file and folder from that drive and right click and copy. After copied all the file and folder, go to C drive and create a new folder with Windows Win11 name. Give a short name. Open that folder and right click and paste there copied file. After few minutes, your copy will be completed. In my situation, it's taking 4 to 5 minutes. After copy completed, close all the windows you have opened previously. Then click on Windows search option, then type there CMD. After type cmd, command prompt will be appear. Right click on that command prompt and click to run as administrator. Here you have to click yes. After open command prompt, you can check where you copied that path. In my situation, C:\win11. Type that path on command prompt. C:\win11 /setup.exe then space, then / product, then space server. I will give you this comment on description box. After type this comment, just press enter. After pressing enter, your installation will be start. Here is showing install Windows Server, but don't panic, this will be install Windows 11. Click on next button. After checking some update, this will be show more option. Now in this screen you have to click accept. Now 3 options will be show on your screen. You can select keep file, settings and application as in this Windows is installed, or keep personal file only, or do nothing. Nothing, that means your all file, folder and application will be erased after update. I am suggesting you keep files, settings and application. Then click next. After check more few update, your Windows installation will be start. Now install Windows 11 Pro. That means your Windows 11 Pro is ready to install. Just click on install by keeping your old file, settings and application. In this screen, this is time taking process. It will take half an hour to 1 hour. Just sit back and relax to complete your Windows installation. After restart, some more process will be process. You can see my Windows installation is completed. Just click on the screen. You can see your old username and you have to type your old password by entering the Windows. This is first time, that's why it it will be take some more few minutes. Almost there. In this screen you have to scroll down and accept. After the accept, you will enter your Windows. You can see my desktop is came with Windows 11 and my old application file all remained same as previous. You can check your data folder also from another drive. You can check in my situation my all data folder is keeping same as previous Windows. That's all friends. If you like my video, click on like button. You can stay with subscription to get more update. You can share my video to your colleagues and friends. Thank you so much.